Are you ready to align purpose with profit? Join us for the Marketplace Mission, a powerful virtual business workshop presented by WealthBuilders. Mark your calendar for August 16th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. No travel needed. Join from any location online. Learn from industry leaders and discover how to grow your business with kingdom purpose-driven strategies that make a real impact.
Start believing for what the next season is going to look like so you can tangibly start attaching your faith to what is it going to look like with 2 or 3 people. Who do I need to hire next to really bolster my weakness?
We're in a business workshop. Never make decisions out of a spirit of fear.
Reserve your spot today and watch your purpose meet profit. Visit wealthbuilders.org/events to register today.